Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Vi app on your Android or iPhone device from the home screen. Tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the app. Select Settings from the menu to access account and app options quickly. Choose Add Account, then pick Gmail from the list of email providers shown. Enter your full Gmail address and password into the fields provided, then tap Next. Complete two-step verification if prompted. Allow up to 2 minutes for codes. Allow permissions on the consent screen to finalize the sign-in. After signing in, Vi displays an Add Account confirmation and sync options page. Enable Mail Sync and Contacts Sync toggles if you want Gmail contacts imported. Set sync frequency to automatic for real-time updates and lower battery impact. Pick notification preferences for new mail alerts and badge counts on the app icon. Tap Save to confirm settings and begin fetching your Gmail messages immediately. Wait about 30 seconds while the initial sync downloads headers and new messages. Pull down the Mail tab to refresh messages and verify successful syncing. If sign-in fails, confirm your Gmail credentials on a web browser first. Clear Vi app cache in your phone settings, then relaunch the app to retry. Remove the Gmail account and add it again if persistent errors continue. Ensure Google account recovery options are up to date before attempting two-step verification. Update the Vi app to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Expect email propagation, delays up to 15 minutes, when server syncing is busy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.